how to enable auto fire or assist feature in Blood Strike game. Welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In order to enable auto fire or assist feature, first of all, launch or open the Blood Strike game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby page, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the gear button. Now this will open up the settings menu where you'll need to click on the basics tab from the top, and under basics, go ahead and look for the auto fire feature. Click on the on button right next to auto fire and make sure that you've selected on right next to it. Now go ahead and get back to the lobby screen and join a match and check if the auto fire option is working. The auto fire feature is meant to help you learn and improve, not replace the skill. As you get better, you might want to consider turning it off. So that's it. Now you're all set to make your gameplay smoother and more beginner friendly on Blood Strike. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.